Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the ringtone in your iPhone 14 Pro Max. So to do this operation, go to settings, next go to Sound and Haptics and choose the option ringtone. Click on it and you can choose whatever ringtone you want. Yeah. So when you choose the ringtone of your phone, you can store from App Store more ringtone if you wish, and you can set the haptic of your ringtone. You can set up your own haptic vibration. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!